Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money disappear? Then it's time to take charge of your finances and uncover the key to massive savings. Let's take it the first thing you must stop buying if you want to save money, which is brand name products. When it comes to buying products, brand name products are often overpriced because companies spend a lot of money to create their brand reputation, and the expenses are passed on to their customers. Consider high-end fashion labels such as Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Prada. While their products project luxury and status, their prices are costly because they are representing the brand name rather than the actual quality or functioning of the product. Number 2. Eating out and takeout. Eating out and depending on takeout can be extremely expensive. While the convenience and variety of restaurant meals are enticing, the expenses may rapidly pile up, especially when consumed on a daily basis, and dining out frequently includes not just the cost of the food, but also other costs such as service charges, tips, and transportation. Consider this. A single restaurant dinner can easily cost 2 to 3 times what the identical meal can be prepared at home. Multiply that by the number of times you eat out in a month, and you'll understand how the costs may add up. By cutting back on eating out, you can significantly reduce your monthly spending and shift those cash to savings or other financial goals such as investing. Number 3. Unused subscriptions. Unused subscriptions might quietly consume your money without knowing about it. It's simply to become addicted to various services, whether they're streaming platforms, gym memberships, or software subscriptions. However, many of these subscriptions go unused or forgotten over time. Subscription services are appealing because of their ease and accessibility, but they frequently come with recurring costs that can add up over months or even years. Take a look at your bank records or credit card bills. You might be amazed at how many memberships you're still paying for but not using to their full potential. Make it a habit to go over your subscriptions weekly or occasionally. Make a list of the services you no longer use or value. It's as simple as entering into your account settings or contacting customer service to cancel these useless memberships. Number 4. Impulse online shopping. Impulse online shopping could destroy your budget and financial goals because with a few clicks, you can find yourself adding products to your cart without thinking about the long-term consequences. The accessibility of online shopping makes it even more tempting to engage in impulsive purchasing. One of the most serious dangers of impulse purchases is the possibility of overspending. When you make purchases without any idea of what you actually want to buy in mind, you are more likely to go over budget and suffer unneeded debt. Additionally, impulse purchasing can result in having regrets when you realize that the thing you bought was unnecessary or does not provide you with the satisfaction you expected. So, it is important to develop healthy buying habits in order to fight impulsive online shopping. And a strategy you can use is to set a time limit before making any non-essential purchases. Give yourself at least 24 hours, if not a week, to think about whether you genuinely need or want the item. This waiting period allows you to critically analyze your purchase and consider whether it corresponds with your long-term financial goals. Often, the initial desire to purchase fades, saving you from impulse spending. Number 5. Non-essential home decor and accessories. The need to continuously update and buy non-essential home design items and accessories can be difficult to resist. With the impact of social media, home design blogs, and interior designing shows, there are new trends and styles that make us feel that our houses need to be updated on a regular basis to stay in fashion. The urge to create a visually pleasing space, along with the fear of missing out on the newest design trends, can lead to impulsive purchases and overspending. However, it's important to consider a more mindful approach to home decor. One approach is minimalism, which focuses on simplicity and decluttering. Repurposing items is another great way to refresh your home decor without breaking the bank. Instead of buying new accessories, look around your home and consider how you can repurpose items you already have. Shopping secondhand is not only budget-friendly but also an environmentally conscious choice. Thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces are treasure troves of unique and affordable decor finds. Ultimately, by considering minimalism, repurposing items, and shopping secondhand, you can create a home that reflects your personal style and values without breaking the bank. Which is why you should watch the video you see on your screen if you want to save money in just 30 days.